This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldratt's Theory of Constraints. In previous videos of the series, we've discussed how you find the constraint, what kind of constraints you can have. Now we're going to talk about how you manage it, right? Once you've found your constraint, how do you manage it?
Details of how the constraint management applications work is beyond the scope of this video series. It's really a much longer discussion. But if you'd like an external reference, those applications are described in detail in the books Reaching the Goal and Exceeding the Goal. In a nutshell, however, here's how constraint management applications are applied. Critical chain project management applies to hardware and software projects. Replenishment applies to assets, such as data and knowledge, or resources, such as skills and tools. An application that goes by the initials DBR for historical reasons applies to operation of networks and services, in other words, processes. And finally, the finance application from constraint management applies to portfolio decisions. One of the things that these applications have in common is they all recognize a unique constraint and optimize operations around that constraint.
Okay, John, thanks very much. We've discussed where the constraints could be and how we could manage them. In the next video, we'll talk about constraint management and technical strategy.